Welcome, in front of me Blackview Tab 12 Pro, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. First, you need to open the control panel. In control panel you need to disable all unnecessary features like mobile data if you're using Wi-Fi, disable Bluetooth, disable hotspot, disable newbie share, and of course disable location services. Then you need to reduce screen brightness because screen consumes a lot of battery power. Then you can scroll down, Then you need to open settings, then scroll down, find battery, and click battery saver, and click enable. And that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.